Here's some important questions which is asked in interview regarding ceiling fan capacitors. 1. What is the function of a capacitor in a ceiling fan?
A capacitor helps start the fan motor and maintain its running efficiency by creating a phase shift in the AC supply, allowing proper rotation.
2. Why does a ceiling fan need a capacitor? A single-phase induction motor, used in ceiling fans, is not self-starting.
The capacitor creates a phase difference between the starting and running windings, generating the required torque to start the fan.
3. What happens if the capacitor in a ceiling fan fails?
If the capacitor fails, the fan may not start. It may run at a slower speed. It may produce a humming sound.
4. What is the typical capacitance value of a ceiling fan capacitor?
Most ceiling fans use capacitors in the range of 2F to 4F.
5. How do you test a ceiling fan capacitor?
Using a multimeter in capacitance mode, check if the reading matches the rated value. If it shows a significantly lower value or OL, open line, the capacitor is faulty.
6. Why is a capacitor connected in series with the auxiliary winding?
This creates a phase shift, producing a rotating magnetic field necessary for the fan to start and run efficiently.
7. What type of capacitor is used in a ceiling fan? A non-polarized electrolytic or metallized polypropylene capacitor designed for AC operation. 8. Can a ceiling fan run without a capacitor?
No, it will not start because single-phase induction motors require phase displacement to generate starting torque.
9. What will happen if we replace a capacitor with a higher or lower value?
A higher value capacitor may increase speed but could damage the motor. A lower value capacitor may cause improper starting and lower speeds.
10. How can we increase the speed of a ceiling fan?
By increasing the capacitance slightly, within safe limits, or ensuring the capacitor is functioning properly.
11. How do you replace a faulty ceiling fan capacitor?
Turn off the power, locate the capacitor inside the fan canopy, disconnect the old capacitor, and replace it with one of the same value.
12. What is the difference between a run capacitor and a start capacitor in fans?
Ceiling fans use a run capacitor for continuous operation, whereas other motors may have both start and run capacitors. In previous video I explained completely about ceiling fan capacitor. If you have any doubts on it, please go and watch, the link is in description.